Thank you. My name is Bharati Raja from Tempsens Instruments. I am the senior manager. We are manufacturing all type of thermocouples. First one is contact type, another one is non-contact type. In contact type, RTD and thermocouples. In thermocouple, different types are available, like K type, R type, S type, B type for different applications. So same thing we have the RTD for lesser temperature. This also we have a lot of type like 2-wire, 3-wire, 4-wire RTD like that. Duplex, simplex like that we have. Then we have the pyrometer that is called non-contact temperature sensor. This is also measuring the temperature up to 3000 degree without contacting the product. Many applications like steel, cement, power, many applications we are using this kind of pyrometer. Then we have the cable. Cable we have the different installations, different product. Fully ours is customized made. We are having the power cable only copper conductor. And after that thermocouple cable, silver plated cable, signal cable, control cable like that we have a different product, different insulation like fiberglass insulation, PVC insulation, PTF insulation. So like, as per as like that we have the different product. Then we have the calibration equipment and we are doing the calibration services also. All type of calibration equipments we have different range. Then we are doing the on-site calibration service like furnace calibration is called total uniformity survey. Another one is SAT, system accuracy test. So that's and all we are doing. Actually our company is manufacturing unit in Udaipur, Rajasthan. We have other country also, Germany, UAE, Poland. So like that.